Greetings from Schweizerbadet in Haninge, this wonderful sandy beach that's out on the Baltic Sea, and it is perfect for surfing as well. There are some kite surfers here on the beach enjoying the beautiful day. It is 9th of July today, 5 p.m. right now, and beach day number 88 on my Sweden beach adventures. Now, right here in this beach, it's quite shallow, but there is even a jetty to get into the water, which I'm going to use, and also measure the temperature to see how warm it is. In the air we have 20 degrees Celsius, so quite warm, but it is blowing a bit wind, which makes things a bit more cold than they seem. And the sun is also obviously less bright this late in the afternoon, but despite there are almost 6 hours left until the sunset. So yeah, here there are lots of surfers that you can see, and there is even another sandy beach on the other side that I see. There are a lot more people on that one. On this one, it was basically empty. And this is located basically in the Talaro neighborhood. And to get here, you can get easily during a few times a day. There are direct buses from Globen actually. It takes around 35 minutes to reach here from Globen. Otherwise, there are buses from Haninge station. That's on the Pendeltåg. And the jetty looks quite nice indeed. And now here we have some sandy beach as well, small sandy beach. And we can see also the larger part of the sandy beach from here as well. And this jetty leads to a island, rocky island, that you can also take a swim in, and that I actually was on when it was too crowded here on the jetty. But today, on this Tuesday, 9th of July, it's not crowded at all, and I can clearly see through the water, as you can see right now, right here. There are even swans here. And take a look at the kite surfers over there. They're really enjoying this windy weather for sure. Yes, Schweizer Parken, Schweizerbadet. The whole park is called Schweizerparken, but this beach is called Schweizerbadet as well. And here we have another close-up of a kite surfer. Close up. Take a look at it, it's really amazing. Fantastic. So there are 3 entrances into the water right here, and all the way to the... Oh, there is even a thermometer over here. I brought mine, but there was no need. Let's check this one out and let's test it if mine is correct as well. So this one over here says 16 degrees Celsius, this one says right here. Let's check out if that is true with my thermometer as well. Right here. All right, so yeah, 16 degrees, quite nice, because yesterday when I was in Lidingö, it was 11 degrees Celsius in the water over there. But here it gets a bit longer to get cool down, because there was a bit of a colder weather. Yes, it's correct. My thermometer is correct. It's 16 degrees Celsius in the water. So let's then enjoy this beautiful day and take a swim here at Schweizerbadet in the I'm gonna use this entrance over here because it's quite nice and out with beautiful sun view as well. So let's go together. Alright, so actually it is not that deep here either. So I need to go further in to take a bit of a better swim. Alright, then it's time for a swim at Schweizerbadet on this beautiful day, sunny day, 9th of July. I'm so glad that the sun is back after some few cloudy days. So let's take a swim together in this beautiful nature in Dalarö, Haninge municipality, Stockholm region. Let's go! Amazing. The sea is so beautiful. And I'm the only one taking a swim right now. 16 degrees in the sea, very nice. I don't feel cold at all, as it is also 20 degrees outdoors as well. So I'm gonna be chilling here and enjoying the beautiful sunny afternoon here in Dalarö at Schweizerbadet. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!